weeks ago, OnePlus released the new smartphone OnePlus 70, and it seems like over the OnePlus 7. Before we start this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for our every time posted new awesome video. And if you already done this, thank you so much. I am Miyat and you are watching Miyat's Tech. Talking about the design, OnePlus 70 and OnePlus 7 have a similar looking front. The OnePlus 70's bezels are narrow and top of the nose are also small. The biggest upgrade comes in display. It has 6.55-inch 90Hz refresh rate, 20:9 aspect ratio with HDR10 Plus supported fluid display, and it's just awesome. The OnePlus 70's smooth 90Hz refresh rate insane by 370 optimizations is an OS for seamless visual and ultra-responsive touch design. Once you are experienced with the smoothness of fluid display, you will never settle for anything less. Also, it has HDR10 Plus. Builds all your favorite jaw-dropping clarity with HDR playback, Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video. HDR10 Plus produces more deeper blacks, brighter whites, and more true-to-life visuals for stunning movies, games, and photos. Experiences more immersive entertainment, anything, anywhere. OnePlus say they improved their in-display fingerprint with a new sensor and new algorithm. Their next generation fingerprint reader is more accurate and more secure. Simply tap on the display to unlock the OnePlus 70 in an instant, as quickly as 0.21 seconds. When I talk about the camera, you see the dual camera setup. The square camera module looking weird. Anyway, it has 48 megapixel f1.6 primary camera with OIS plus EIS. It has also 12 megapixel f2.2 telephoto and 16 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle camera. That's very impressive. The ultra wide angle camera can capture dramatic 170-degree field of view. That's awesome. The night escape mode available on both the main camera and the ultra wide angle camera. Night escape mode combines information from ultra frame in varying exposure to produce wider dynamic range. The result, bright, clear, dynamic photos, even in surprisingly dark environments. When I talk about the portrait mode, dramatic portrait and professional headshot are clear and more expressive on the OnePlus 70, thanks to the new telephoto camera. You can choose between two distance focal length in portrait mode, each producing its own unique ethics. It has also 16 megapixel front-facing camera. The camera has portrait mode built right in for more impressive selfie. With EIS stabilization, keep videos smooth and steady when streaming or video chatting. Okay, let's talk about the performance. It has new Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, so it's faster, smoother, and more efficient. The top-tier Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus powers through intensive 3D games, videos, and everyday multitasking with upgraded speeds and graphical rendering. The OnePlus 70's large vibration motor and advanced haptic driver produce natural, satisfying feedback. Experience stereo, quiet vibration when typing or playing games and receiving notifications. It has UFS 3.0 and RAM boost, faster and more efficient, with the blazing data speed and 128 GB of UFS 3 storage. The OnePlus 70 allows for faster file transfer and offer more ample room for all your files, photos, and games. RAM boost intelligently optimize memory uses over time for smooth app performance. The OnePlus 70's powerful dual stereo speaker feature Dolby Atmos 3D enhancement for more impressive movies and games with or without headphones. Dolby Atmos audio optimization produces crisper, louder, and more balanced sound across all your favorite contents. Okay, let's talk about the Phantom mode. It's just game changer. In the head of battle, an incoming call or text can be devastating. Developed alongside the world-renowned eSports pro team, Phantom mode blocks calls and notifications, streaming network data and detecting system performance to what really matters. Thanks for watching. See you next on and stay Miyat's Tech, my friends.